Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split screen on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to split screen in two parts and you want to use multiple apps in your iPhone at a time like this, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and from here you have to simply search for split screen. So guys, here you can see this, there is single app that is split screen on iPhone settings. Actually I have downloaded it from the app store. So guys, there is no such settings in iOS 26 which allows you to split screen on iPhone. So guys, basically you have to simply open app store and then you have to search for split screen. Here you have to simply search for split screen, and then you have to simply download and install this split screen dual window app. After downloading, you have to simply open this, and now you have to wait for some seconds until the ad ends. So guys, here you can see this, you can use multiple windows on your iPhone and you can split screen like this to use multiple apps in here. So guys, you can see this. So guys, this is the way to split screen on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.